Hey, it's Bill with Immaculate Paint Protection, standing in front of our basic wash kit. So we have the basic elements that you need, tools, product to do a safe, effective wash on your vehicle without swirling it up and scratching it up. So how are you gonna do that? Well, we have 2 buckets, a nice big bucket dollies. They got the nice big 3-inch casters here, so it's gonna make it easy to roll around. We have a nice 6-gallon bucket here, 6 gallon, that way you can fill it up to about 5 gallons or so, and then you give you some headroom so when you're dunking it in there, you're not gonna be splashing water all over your feet. That's gonna keep you nice and dry, nice and clean. We use the grit guards that go into the buckets here. So 1 grit guard with 1 washboard for the red bucket, which is clean water. And then we have a grit guard in the green bucket. It's gonna have the soap mix. We're gonna use Gyeon Bathe as our soap wash. I'm also gonna give you a measuring cup. So measure out the soap, please. I mean, you don't need to use a ton of the soap, just use it as directed. A little bit of soap goes a long way. 2 nice big body mitts here. So we're gonna use this on the body and the glass. The reason we have 2, in case you drop one, set it off to the side. If you ever drop a towel, wash mitt, never touch the car with it or truck, please. That's how you're gonna swirl and scratch your paint. A cuffed wash mitt, this is gonna be for the door jambs, rocker panels, all areas that have a little more grime, you're gonna do that at the very end. And then 2 nice, luxurious microfiber towels. These are the Gyeon silk dryers. Love these towels, they work great. Again, you have 2 in case you drop one, you can set it off to the side. Also 2, if you have a truck or SUV, you're probably gonna use both of them to dry it off. We have step-by-step instructions on exactly how we wash these vehicles here at Immaculate Paint Protections. We're gonna share our pro tips, our secrets at ImmaculatePaintProtection.com car wash. Come check us out. Thanks for your time.